Welcome to Pexco Aerospace's Corporate Safety Training, Achieving a Safety Culture. What is a safety culture? A safety culture is a behavioral climate within a company that promotes, rewards, and controls safety in such a way as to make safety a part of the business instead of a condition of business. We here at Pexco Aerospace are dedicated to having a safety culture. Our motto is zero in on safety. To achieve a safety culture, it requires dedication, personal interests, employee support, and management commitment. Understanding and support from the entire workforce is essential. Without it, the program will fail. There are two different types of roles in creating a safety culture: the leadership's role and the employee's role. As a leadership member, you should get to know your workers. You should learn what motivates them. Never ridicule any injury or near miss, and never dismiss them. If it's a little minor injury now, it could be a major one later. Be positive, motivate, and reward. If somebody reports a safety concern, give them a vending book. Find ways to measure safe behavior. Attend the same training as your workers, such as these videos. Be proactive and get involved in safety. Attend safety meetings. Be professional. You could save a life today. And follow up on the actions you took. Don't just submit a safety concern to the EHS team. Follow up to ensure that it's been completed and that it has action being taken upon it. The employee's role. It is your responsibility to get involved in the safety program. Contribute to what makes corrective actions. Submit a Pexco pay or report it to your supervisor or EHS member, ensuring that any sort of safety concerns are brought up. Understand how your behavior affects job safety. Report all accidents and near misses immediately. What may have been a minor injury for you could be life or death for somebody else. Be proactive and professional and report all safety problems or deficiencies. There are several different types of accidents. There's slips and trips. There's being struck by, overextensions, struck against, falls that occur on the same level or falls to different levels, caught in, on, or between something, contact with heat or cold, contact with an electrical current, or inhalation, absorption, ingestion, or poisoning. Be aware of the type of accidents that can occur around your work area, even as simple as walking through the parking lot. Potentially, there could be a slip or trip hazard. So what causes accidents? Accidents occur for many reasons. In most industries, people tend to look for the things to blame when an accident happens because it's easier than looking for causes, such as the following. Sometimes accidents can be caused from taking shortcuts, being overconfident, starting a task with incomplete instructions, poor housekeeping, ignoring safety procedures to try and get the job done faster or quicker, mental distractions from work. Have you been guilty of any of these attitudes or behaviors? If so, you may not have been injured this time, but next time you may not be so lucky. There are behavioralistic causes such as horseplaying, working on moving equipment or operating equipment that you're not authorized to use, or working at an unsafe speed, or even failure to using PPE. There's also your environmental factors: improper PPE, poor housekeeping, improper illumination, or hazardous arrangements. Look around your area and consider what are the hazards that could potentially cause an accident in your environment. And the last type of accident causation is unsafe personal factors. Are you feeling fatigued? Do you have defective hearing or eyesight? Any sort of muscular weaknesses, or a lack of required skill and knowledge, or intoxication? At Pexco Aerospace, drugs and alcohol is prohibited from being used at the company. If a member of our team is suspected of being on a substance, they will be brought to Healthy Worker and a drug test performed. This is to ensure that everyone stays safe. A final thought about creating a safety culture. Eliminate unsafe environmental conditions. Upgrade engineering controls. Do this by submitting a Pexco pay or making recommendations to your supervisor about things that you feel will help safety. Always make suggestions. Optimize administrative controls as well. Provide adequate PPE. And attitude. Your attitude drives behavior. We all have to be in this together. When behavior causes management to fully support the program, employees promote safety, it contributes to a safe work environment and causes a measurable reduction in accidents. This is a corporate safety culture, and you yourself will be safe. Did this PowerPoint interest you? If so, please join our safety committee. We meet monthly on the third Wednesdays at 3 o'clock p.m. If you'd like more information, come see HR. Thank you.